Do you want to play something jazzy that is super fun to play? This tune was written for the 1963 comedy The Pink Panther. It's the theme for the clever detective in the movie. I also have a special connection to this song. My mother, who was also a music teacher, played this song with her students on the recital very often, and it was always one of my favorites, so I knew that I had to share it on the channel one day. Hey, it's Julia from Violin Inspiration, and we are going to learn Pink Panther today. Hey, nice try watching this without your violin. I see everything, you know. This is not a Netflix show. You need your violin. So get your violin and post in the comments a violin emoji so I can give you a virtual high five for actually practicing with me in this tutorial. Congratulations, your violin is here now. That means that you will be able to achieve the goal of this tutorial, which is confidently playing this song with a piano backing track by the end of this video. First of all, you should know that there's two versions of this piece on my channel, a beginner version and an intermediate version. This is the beginner version, so if this one feels a little bit easy, try out the intermediate version on my channel. It's linked below this video. Next to that, to help you sound your best, I've added 2 free downloads under this video. First of all, a PDF of the scale of this piece that matches the scale that this song is written in. It helps you warm up and play this piece more in tune. Second, there's the download of the backing track. You can also find that below this video. Without further ado, let's get started practicing. Let's start slowly and gradually speed up in the play-alongs. You did it! Great job practicing with me. If you were able to play with the play-alongs all the way through, please leave a thumbs up emoji in the comments. I'd love to know if you made it all the way until the end. If you love to learn iconic songs like the Pink Panther, I think you will also love Bohemian Rhapsody. I will link that song below for you. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Next week there will be a new, really fun tutorial to learn. So if you want to learn more beautiful music on the violin, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. Happy practicing!